Here is the perfect way to introduce anatomy and how the body works to your kids. And coming from a homeschool mom, this is not an easy task. But this My Body Anatomy Kit is all you're gonna need to explore each body system. It's from HM Magnets and comes with 7 magnetic layers, 1 for each system, along with 7 matching cards fully labeled. You even get these reusable stickers to label the magnetic layers on your own. Starting with the skeletal system to the nervous system, then respiratory, digestive, blood circulatory, muscular, and of course the basic body parts. It even comes with 4 model options so your kid can really relate to this. I discovered this kit when my daughter was 4 and it helped her learn each body part so quickly. Now she's 6 and can actually point out parts of the muscular and digestive systems. I'm so impressed and haven't really seen another learning tool like this. I love that I'm using this with my 6-year-old now, but she'll be able to use this right through high school. And these reusable stickers make it an amazing tool for self-testing. There are even QR codes at the bottom of each card to get an even deeper understanding of each system. So you can really make this as complex or as simple as you want. I've even gifted this to some of my teacher friends and it's always a hit. The quality is so heavy and durable with a really premium feel. So if you're looking for a way to teach anatomy to your kid, this is the way to go.